Okay, so children, now we are moving to the next one, that is missing numbers. Now children, this is simple. This is the expanded form, okay, and this is the original number. Now children, look here, we have the units place, then we have the tens place. Now children, look here, in the hundreds place it is 0. 0 means nil, okay. So when you are writing in the expanded form, we can skip this place. But when we write in the original number, we need to add zeros. Please remember this, children. Okay. So in the hundreds place, we are having nil. Then in the thousands place also I am having nil. Then in the 10,000s place I am having 7, which we have already written here in the expanded form. Now what is missing, children? The 100,000s place. So in the 100,000s place, which digit I have? I have 3. Okay. So I will write 3, and then how many zeros will I add, children? Be careful now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put a comma also so that you are not confused. And if you want to check your answer, children, you can check it in the vertical form. So you will know whether you are on the right track. Now let's move to the next number. Okay. Now we have the 100,000s place. Now if you look here, after 100,000s place is the 10,000s place, that is 0. So as I said, in the expanded form, you may skip. Okay. Now you come to the next place. Which is the next place? That is the thousands place. In the thousands place, what I have here, children? Look here. It is 3. So 3 in the thousands place. 3 in the thousands place means how many zeros? You can count after that also, children. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 3000. Okay. Now the next one is 25,000 and 830. So what is missing? Which place is missing? The hundreds place. Hundreds place. So what will I write over there? 800. Right? And finally over here, the last sum. Very simple. What is missing here? Only the units place. So what will I add over here? Only 8. Okay. Okay, now children, we are doing number patterns. Okay. Now what is number patterns? Just look here carefully, children. Now if you look at this number, okay, 32,447, then you have 2 blanks, and then the next number is 35,447, and the next number is 36,447. Now children, if you look carefully over here, see this place, unit, okay, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. If you see, only this place, that is the thousands place, okay, it is changing. Can you see? Rest, the digits are the same. Okay, so only in the thousands place you see 2, 5 and 6. Now children, you have to see, look at these two numbers and you can know the difference. 5 and then 6. So that means in the thousands place, the difference is 1000. So what would I write over here? If this is 2, you can even underline, children, so that you are not confused. So this I need to increase the thousands place by 1. So this will be 33,447. So I'll increase by 1000. Now what will be my next number over here, children? 33. This was 32, 33. So this will be 34. Okay. And then my hundreds, tens and units place will remain the same. So see this pattern children, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 2, now you look at the thousands place. 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, then you have 5 and then you have 6. So this is your number pattern. Now you look at the next one children. Okay, now you take a minute and tell me which place value there is a change. Yes, in the hundreds place. Can you see here? Correct? This is 3. Then, this is here in the hundreds place and then here 6. So now this will be what children? 82,340, 82,440 and this will be 82,540. Okay, this, and finally over here it will be 82,740. Are you getting it? The change is in the hundreds place. So you will complete this number pattern over here. Okay. And now children, for this, the greater and lesser, yesterday for grade 3, I had prepared a video on this where they have done comparing numbers, okay, whole numbers. So I'll put up that video. It is for grade 3, but it is a useful learning and it is connected to the same topic. So please view that video also, okay. Okay, now children, what we are doing is we are doing compare whole numbers. Okay. Now children, remember this, when you have compare whole numbers, here we are having 3 numbers. Okay. It is not between 2 numbers, it is 3 numbers that we are going to compare. Now when you have this compare whole numbers, remember this children. You will first compare 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and finally units. Okay. So when you compare, you begin from the left to right, the highest order. If you have place value up to 10,000, so you will compare 10,000 first. Okay. And if you have place value like thousands, so then you compare thousands first. Whichever is your highest place value, you will compare that first, from high order to the low order. You are going from higher to lower. Now look at this. Okay, we are going to compare whole numbers and we have 3 numbers over here. Now what we need to do children is pay attention. The first number, okay, that is 25,370. So I need to write in my place value table. So this will be 25,300 below the hundreds place value and then 7 tens and then this is 0. Okay. Now which is your second number children? 17,980. So I need to write this over here. 17,980. Right? And finally this is my third number. So I will write here hundreds place, tens place and units place. So I have put in my place value. Now pay attention what we are going to do. Okay, as I told you children, I told you first we are going to compare the 10,000s place, high order, from the high order. So let's compare. Let me just cover this. Okay, so now you see this 10,000s place. Which digit is big children? 2. Okay, so we can say this, we can just write this like this. in 10 thousands place, which digit is big, children? 2. So I can say 2 is greater. 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Now I am moving to my, so that means when I say this 2 is greater than 1, so that means this digit, can you see the first digit, children? 25370. So what can I say? I can say that 370 is greatest. Clear? Okay. Now we move to the next place, that is the thousands place. Now children, in the thousands place, see which digit is big? 5, 7 and 5. We are comparing this. Okay. So 7 is greater than 5. So what will I write in the thousands place? Okay. That is thousands place. Can I say 7 is greater than 5? Okay. So now children, I am done with this number. This number is over. I have got this as greatest. You can just put a dot here so that you know that we are done with this number. Now we are comparing only these two numbers. So can I say 17980 is greater than which number, children? Which number is this? This number. Okay. That is 15324. 15324. Okay. And finally I have this last number 15324. So that is my smallest number. 15324 is the smallest. Okay children, clear? So what we do when they give us three numbers, we have this place value. Remember, we start from the highest order. Okay, so first you put in your numbers in the place value. You have three numbers, so you will have three rows and you have put in the number. Now once you have done that, we will start comparing. So in the 10,000s place, which number is greater? 2 is greater than 1. So we say this number is the greatest. Once you are done, children, just put a dot. So you have got your greatest number. Now another two numbers are there. You are comparing the other two numbers. Now we have finished with the 10,000s place value. So we will now see the thousands place. Okay, so in the thousands place I have 7. So I have written there 7 is greater than this. And then finally, which number is left, children? This number. So I will say this number is the smallest. Okay. So now children, for homework, you are going to do this number patterns which I explained. For this, I will put up a video which was for grade 3. It is the same learning. And then finally this what I explained. So this will be your homework for this week. Right? That is 16, 7, 20. 1, 2 and 3. Okay children, that's all from my side. See you. Happy learning.